Today I'm going to teach you how to collect photos with Jotform. Whether you're gathering images for an event, collecting portfolio submissions, or simply need visual feedback from your audience, this feature makes the entire process seamless and organized. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. First, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your username and password to access your Jotform dashboard. This is where all your forms and submissions will be managed, so make sure you're logged into the correct account. After logging in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the page. Here you'll find a button labeled Create with a plus sign next to it. Click on this button to begin the form creation process. This action opens up a menu with various options for building your form from different templates or starting fresh from the menu that appears. Click on Form. You'll then be presented with several starting options. For our purposes today, select Start from Scratch. This gives you complete control over the design and functionality of your form. Next, choose Classic Form as your form type. The Classic Form layout is straightforward and works perfectly for collecting photo submissions. Now you're in the Form Builder interface. Look to the left panel where you'll see an option that says Add Element. Click on this to reveal all the available form elements you can incorporate. Scroll down through the list until you locate File Upload. Once you find it, click on File Upload to add this element to your form. This is the core feature that will allow respondents to submit their photos directly through your form. With the File Upload element now added to your form, you'll want to customize its settings. Click on the gear icon, which represents the Properties button for this element. This opens up the configuration options. Navigate to the multiple tab within these settings. Here you'll find an option to set a limit on the number of files users can upload. Adjust this limit to anywhere between 1 and 10 files depending on how many photos you need to collect from each person. Setting this boundary helps keep submissions organized and prevents your form from being overwhelmed with too many files. Now there's an alternative method you might find even more useful, especially if you want users to take photos directly through the form. To do this, click on Add Element again from the left panel. This time, select Widgets from the options presented. Widgets are advanced form elements that add specialized functionality to your forms. In the widget search bar, type Image Upload Preview and press Enter. When the widget appears in the results, click on it to add it to your form. This particular widget allows users to not only upload photos but also browse through and preview images before submitting them. It creates a more interactive experience and gives users confidence that they're submitting the correct files. After adding the widget, you'll want to configure it to match your needs. Click on the wand icon, which opens the customization panel for this widget. Make any necessary adjustments to the appearance or functionality, then click Update to save your changes and apply them to your form. And that's it. You've successfully set up a form in Jotform that can collect photos from multiple users efficiently. This setup works great for events, competitions, project submissions, or any situation where you need to gather visual content from others. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.